Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show how to get your business card in websites.co.in. First, click on the three bars located on the top left. And tap on Business Profile. Now click on Business Card. Below are some customized business cards, which you can use to grow your business, by downloading or sharing it, via social media platforms. Select any of the card according to your choice. If you click on Download your business card, it will automatically get saved in your smartphone gallery within few minutes. Here is how to share it, via social media platforms. Let's go with Facebook first. You can share your business card by posting it on Facebook. You can also go with WhatsApp, by sharing it in different groups. Or you can go with Twitter. Share a tweet, describing about your website and use various hashtags to grab customers' attention. We hope you like it. Thanks for watching and do like, share, and subscribe to websites.co.in.